Welcome to C-Motor Today. We step into the future of Yamaha's supersport legacy with a machine that feels born from both racing DNA and street-ready intelligence. The all-new 2026 Yamaha YZF-R9 as the camera sweeps across its razor-sharp fairings, lead eyes glowing like a predator in the dark. One thing becomes instantly clear. This is not just another sport bike. This is a statement. The R9T stands as a bridge between raw track performance and everyday rideability, crafted for riders who crave speed but demand control. The host walks into frame, helmet tucked under one arm. Standing beside the R9 as light dances across its sculpted body, every line feels intentional. The aerodynamic nose, the aggressive tank cutouts, the compact tail all whisper speed even while standing still. This bike looks like it's already moving. Yamaha's racing bloodline pulses through its design. Yet there's a maturity here, a refinement that tells you this machine is built for real riders, not just racetracks. The engine comes alive with a deep, powerful growl. Unlike the high-pitched scream of traditional supersports, the R9's triple-cylinder heart delivers a richer tone. Smooth, muscular, confident. It's the kind of sound that promises torque at your fingertips and excitement across every gear. As the bike rolls forward, the camera tracks low, catching the rotation of the wheels and the shimmer of the exhaust. The R9 feels planted, composed, and eager, out on the open road. The R9 reveals its character. Acceleration is immediate but controlled. Thrilling without being intimidating, the rider leans into the wind, body aligned with the machine, and the world begins to blur. This is where Yamaha's engineering shines. Power delivered with precision. Every twist of the throttle feels measured. Every gear change smooth and intentional. You don't fight the bike, you flow with it. As the visuals transition to winding mountain roads, the R9 becomes poetry in motion. Corner after corner, it remains stable and predictable. The chassis feels balanced. The suspension communicates every detail of the asphalt, and the front end inspires trust. You lean deeper, later smoother. The bike responds like it understands you. This isn't brute force, it's harmony between rider and machine. The cockpit glows with a modern digital display, crisp and intuitive riding modes, traction control, quick shifter data, all there to support you, never distract you. Yamaha doesn't overload the rider. It empowers. The R9 feels like a partner, always ready, always aware. In the city, the R9 shows its other side, calm, composed. Surprisingly comfortable, it doesn't punish you at low speeds. It doesn't beg to be unleashed. Every second it adapts, traffic becomes manageable. Streets become pathways instead of obstacles. This is a super sport that respects daily life. While still holding the soul of a racer, the host pulls over at a scenic overlook. The R9 idles beside him, heat rising softly from the engine. He removes his helmet and gazes at the horizon. This moment captures the essence of the R9. Not just speed, but presence. It's about knowing you have extraordinary power beneath you, yet choosing when and how to use it. The 2026 Yamaha YZF-R9 is for riders who've evolved, riders who still crave adrenaline but now understand control. It's for those who want the thrill of a track machine, without sacrificing comfort, confidence, and connection. It's not just about lap times. It's about how the bike makes you feel on every road, every ride. On C-Motor, we celebrate motorcycles that move more than just bodies. We celebrate machines that move minds and hearts. The R9 does exactly that. It reminds us that performance isn't just about speed. It's about balance, about purpose, about becoming one with the road. Wherever your journey leads, city lights, open highways, or distant mountain curves, the R9 is ready to take you there with elegance and fire. From all of us at C-Motor, thank you for riding with us. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and never stop chasing the horizon.